Jiggler keys, also known as tryout keys, rockers, and auto jigglers, are typically used to open car locks and other types of wafer locks. Most wafer tumbler locks with poor tolerances can be opened with a set of jigglers. Wafer picks are often marketed as jigglers due to the heavy emphasis on raking techniques used to open these locks. Jiggler keys are designed with the most common patterns of keys available. The jiggler key is inserted into the lock like a normal key, and a turning force is applied while the key is raked back and forth until the lock opens. These jiggler keys were sent to me by SouthOrd and have been designed for opening pin tumbler locks. The technique used in the video for pin tumbler locks is the same technique that will work on wafer locks. Like most lockpicking techniques, practice is important to get good with jiggler keys. Jigglers won't work on everything, but they can open many things when you have the technique down and understand the internal workings of the locks you are trying to open. These can be fun to experiment with and are good for beginners. Hold the jiggler between the forefinger and thumb. Insert the jiggler key into the lock and add some tension in the direction that the lock opens. While the turning pressure is being applied, push and pull the jiggler in and out in a raking motion. A rocking motion can be added to increase the chance of setting the pins or wafers. When all of the pins are at the shear line, the lock will open. Jiggler keys are like a rake pick and tensioner in one piece. You can also try using the jiggler keys with the tension wrench to see if that gives you better control. If you are interested in getting into lockpicking, make sure you look into your local laws regarding lockpicking equipment and only open locks you own or have permission to open.